In this video, I'll show you how you can use your Android phone to play music on a Bluetooth speaker and watch a video simultaneously on your phone without interrupting the music. There's a feature called Separate App Sound, and as far as I know, this is only available on Samsung phones. For other type of Android phones, there are a few potential workarounds, and I'll talk more about this in a minute. The Samsung way of handling this is pretty easy. We'll go to Settings first, and from there, I'll go to Sounds and Vibration. Here towards the bottom, I have an option for Separate App Sound. This is where I can pick an app and then tell my phone where I want the audio from that app to go. Now, when it comes to choosing the app, my first instinct would be to pick a music app like Spotify, and then tell my phone to always output that audio to my Bluetooth speaker. Technically it works, but I've noticed when I do that and start watching a video, the sound of my video also plays on the Bluetooth speaker and not on my phone. So a better way to do this is to think of it backwards. I'm going to go switch the music app to the app I use to watch videos, and then tell my phone to always output sound from this app to the phone speakers. The logic is here kind of confusing, but I've learned this way I can have my music on the speaker, and any videos I watch will play locally on my phone speakers. Now I can go back and start my music playback, and it'll play on the Bluetooth speaker. I can't play the music track here because I'd get a copyright strike, but you get the idea. Then, while the music is playing, I can open YouTube and watch videos with the sound on, and the sound plays on my phone's speakers. If you're on a non-Samsung phone, you're kind of stuck with limited options here. Some phones have an app-specific volume in the sound settings, so you could set YouTube to 10% and Spotify to 100%, but it'll still send both audios to the Bluetooth speaker. Some speakers allow you to cast the music instead of using Bluetooth. If you're using the casting option, the speaker will handle the music and you can play videos on the phone without interrupting the music. There are also apps like App Volume Control in the Play Store that you can try, but they're sometimes buggy and don't work as well as the Samsung feature I showed. That's all I got. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.